What's up, Shadow Twerkers? It's Ty Simone.
And Yana Maria.
And we are back with some more weekly messages. So this message is going to be for Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising. Girl, shuffle the cards. Give me the cards. Give me the cards.
I'm shuffling. What's up,
This the
Sag
absolute
gang?
most.
You know the motherfucking Sag is the motherfucking best sign, you know what I'm saying? Fire sign, you know what I'm saying? Jupiter, ruling planet, expansion, you know what I'm saying? Luck, blessings, you know, openness, you know, money, prosperity, abundance, you know. Sag, you know, when they shoot for something, you know, they're always at that target, you know what I'm saying? You know, I heard that they aim straight toward Aquarius, you know what I'm saying? I'm just saying.
Oh my god.
All right, let's see what spirit got for us.
Girl, hurry up.
You know what I'm saying? Sag, Sun, Moon, Rising, gang. You know what I'm saying? All right, there you go.
All right.
You ain't a Sag, but you can have it.
What's up, Sag? After that long ass fucking intro. This message is going to be for Sag, Sun, Moon, Rising for January 16th to February 1st. Sag, Sun, Moon, Rising, January 16th to February 1st. Oh, God. All right, let's see.
You can't handle the Sag.
Whatever. We got the Four of Wands.
Right? Stability, what I say prosperity. Probably just got my bonnet in the camera. Nine of Pentacles. Fuck
Beautiful.
you talking about? Fuck you mean?
Beautiful.
What you talking about? Sag gang.
Cups reversed.
Seven of Wands.
Okay, hold up.
Oh.
Seven of Swords. Okay.
Oh. The Alien reversed.
Eight of Swords reversed.
The Tower.
The King of Cups.
Sag, what the hell going on here?
Oh,
God.
girl.
Turn down the light. They said they want to get free. Let me stop.
That is not what they said. Girl.
Oh, okay. Yikes. The Seven of Swords got me,
I feel like because the Seven of Swords is in the center of the reading, I feel like it's a lot of self-deception going on.
Damn.
As hard as that may be to hear, I feel like it kind of sucks, but I feel like, again, there's a lot of self-deception when it comes to being single, strong, and independent. I feel like there's the need to now fight for home and relationships and partnerships and stability, the need to work on that. I feel like the need to come out of your head and to come out of your head and your feelings. I'm saying your head because this guy is holding his head in this picture, even though it's a card about cups. And
I mean, his thoughts obviously got him feeling that way.
yeah, well.
If he holding his head, that's what I'm feeling.
Well, yeah, so I feel like your head is being affected for sure. I feel like, it's a lot of stuff. This gives me Seven of Cups vibes, the way all these cups have something going on. So I feel like you might have a lot of stuff kind of going on that you may need to walk away from, because the Eight of Cups is about walking away. So I feel like you are walking away from these things, or you're coming out of hermit mode. You're coming out of whatever illusions you've put yourself in. And I feel like it's literally the Tower for you. Like, your world isn't what you thought it was. And then the need to acknowledge that and to take reasonable action to fix it. By bringing love into the situation, I feel like, or being in control of your emotions at this time specifically, because I feel like that can be, it's kind of heartbreaking, you know? It's like you feel like, it's like this top half of the reading is like really bright, and then everything else is like dark, minus the King of Cups. You know what I'm saying? So it almost feels like night and day. What do you think? I said, what do you think?
Oh, I think it all kind of centers around the Seven of Swords, of course, which is like self-sabotage. And definitely self-sabotage with your thoughts, because that's where all bullshit and all happiness happens. You know what I'm saying? If your life is some bullshit, that means you're thinking some bullshit. I feel like maybe this is what the energy you want to be in. Like releasing bad shit, 9 Pentacles, 4 of Wands energy you're manifesting and like pretty much acting in. And maybe you're fighting this dark shit. That's what I think.
Bottom of the deck, we have the Lovers reversed, the Emperor, and if I can move this, the Two of Wands reversed. So I feel like wait, was this reversed?
I'm not sure.
I think so. But I feel like there's a need to take control of whatever has been keeping you stuck and whatever connections and partnerships and like relationships that you have. I feel like definitely continue to love yourself and bring love into the situation, but I feel like there's a need to take control over your thoughts and to be optimistic, but then to not ignore I don't want to say the obvious because it's not necessarily obvious, but to not ignore the things that you're trying to be optimistic about. It's like be optimistic and then still kind of have a healthy dose of realism. Otherwise, the tower, like, it's just the tower. That's when shit hits the fan, when shit isn't what you thought it was, and now it's being turned upside down.
Advice: expect powerful change. Definitely pretty much means the tower.
Prosperity lies ahead. Yeah. Adjustments are required at the bottom. So I feel like once you get out of the Seven of Swords energy, which I feel like you are doing with the Eight of Swords in reverse, and even just acknowledging that you've been in the Seven of Swords energy, that you have been deceiving yourself, that you have been blinding yourself, I feel like that's where this powerful change is going to come from, because that's the adjustment that I feel like is required, is to like I said, to be optimistic, but to still have a healthy dose of realism in your situation. And by realism, I mean know what you want and then learn how to take practical steps to get to the things that you want. Like, you can't just want them and then think that they're supposed to just come. You have to do a little bit of work. But I feel like once you get that and you understand that, then that's when you will have the things that you want, because now you literally have a plan to do it, and you're consistent with that plan in order to get there, and relentless with that plan. You have anything else to add?
We got this, fellow Sagittarius.
Oh my god. Excuse me.
But not for real. Don't fuck shit up for yourself. And do what you know you have to do. That's pretty much all I can say. Especially speaking from personal experience. Just do what the fuck you gotta do. Don't just fucking think about it. Like, do it. That's all I have to say to us.
Well, that is what we have for you, Sag. If you've enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful, please make sure to like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any more videos.
And we are also offering personal readings, so if you would like clarity on a specific situation, person, or event in your life, reach out to us. All the information is in the description box below.
All right. And until next time, you are truly legendary and we love you. Boy, don't do it. Boy, sir.
Oh, God.
Sir. Respectfully back that ass up. Oh, my God. Until next time, Sag. Oh, my God.